Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to track time in Asana. If you're managing projects and need to monitor how long tasks actually take versus how long you planned for them, Asana's time tracking fields make this incredibly straightforward. Let's walk through how to set this up and start logging your time effectively. First, open the project where you want to track time. Once you're in, you'll see your task list view with columns displaying various task details. This is where we'll customize the layout to include time tracking fields. Look towards the top right of these columns, right next to your existing column headers. You'll notice a plus button sitting there. Click on it to access the field customization menu. When the Add Field menu appears, you'll want to search for or simply scroll down to find estimated time. Select this option to add it as a new column in your task view. This field allows you to set how long you expect each task to take, giving you a baseline for planning and comparison. Now repeat this same process by clicking that plus button again. This time, search for and select actual time to add it as another column. This is where you'll log the real time spent on tasks, which is essential for accurate project tracking and future planning. With both columns now visible in your task list, you're ready to start entering time data. Click on any task's name to open its details panel on the right side of your screen. Scroll through the task details until you locate the actual time field. Click directly inside this field and manually enter the time you spent working on the task. You can use formats like hours and minutes to be as precise as needed. If you'd like to also set an estimated time for comparison, simply click inside the estimated time field and enter your expected duration for that task. This is optional but incredibly useful for seeing whether your time estimates align with reality. As you continue working through your project, you can add or edit times directly in those columns for other tasks without needing to open each task individually. This makes bulk time entry quick and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.